Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use OfferUp outside US. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use OfferUp outside the US. Now, if you've tried opening the OfferUp app abroad, you might have seen a message saying it's only available in the United States. Even if you're originally from the US, traveling can block access. The solution is simple. Use NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can safely mask your location, access restricted content, and enjoy fast, secure connections. Just tap the link in the description to go to NordVPN's official site, choose a plan that fits your needs, and download the app to your device. Once you've activated your VPN and select a US IP address, you'll be able to open OfferUp from anywhere in the world without any errors, giving you full access as if you were at home. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.